What's up, creators? If you're a photographer, filmmaker, or a hybrid shooter chasing that perfect balance, this might be the biggest camera leak of 2025. Today, we're diving deep into the Sony A7V and why this camera could destroy the competition under $3,500. We're talking 44 megapixels, 4K 120 frames per second video, next-gen AI autofocus, and a design that's all about speed, power, and reliability. So let's break down the release leaks, crazy specs, and whether this could be the perfect hybrid mirrorless camera for you. Release date and price: the Sony A7V is expected to be officially announced in late 2025, with shipping beginning in early 2026. And get this, leaks say it'll cost between $3,000 to $3,500. That's less than half the price of the Sony A1, which sells for $6,500, and yet the A7V is rumored to come shockingly close in performance. 44MP sensor and AI. The A7V could feature a brand new 44-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor, a big jump from the A7V's 33MP. That means higher detail, sharper cropping, and better resolution for large format printing. But here's the real headline. Sony is working on AI-powered noise reduction, possibly using their in-house AI processing chips. This would mean cleaner images in extreme low light, with less grain and better color accuracy, making the A7V a low-light legend. Autofocus and burst speed: the A7V is rumored to feature real-time AI subject tracking, recognizing eyes, faces, animals, vehicles, and even birds in flight. Could track fast-moving subjects at up to 100 miles per hour. That's sports and wildlife shooter heaven. And paired with 120 frames per second burst shooting, you're looking at a camera that never misses a shot. Cinematic 4K 120 frames per second, you're getting full-frame 4K at 120 frames per second with no crop. That's no pixel binning, no compromise. Add to that 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording, cinema LUT previews, and pro-level bitrate support, and you've got a cinema camera in a mirrorless body. If you're into YouTube, filmmaking, or cinematic content, the A7V might just be the most creator-friendly Sony camera ever. Build, grip, and reliability: leak designs suggest a more ergonomic body, with a deeper grip, stronger weather sealing, and overall better handling. This is important for pros who shoot all day or in tough environments. Dual card slots. Yup, you're getting CF Express, who the A7V is really for hybrid creators. Get stunning photos and pro-level video. YouTubers and filmmakers. Think slow mo, cinema-grade quality, and reliable autofocus. Wildlife and sports shooters. That 120 frames per second burst and tracking system is unmatched. A7 for users. This is your ultimate upgrade, hands down. If even half these specs turn out to be true, the Sony A7V might be the best hybrid mirrorless camera under $3,500 in 2025. You've got resolution, speed, AI, and 4K 120 all in one. But here's the real question. Should Sony have gone for 8K video? Or is this the perfect balance for hybrid shooters? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm replying to the first 100. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe for hands-on reviews when the A7V finally drops, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss it. Until next time, stay sharp, shoot smart, and I'll catch you in the next one.